welcome back. We're going to talk about how we clean the dining room from top to bottom. We're going to start with the light fixture here, and we get in the groove with our Swiffer Duster 360, getting all the dust off of the light fixture here. And the way I like to move in cleaning is starting from left to right. Just comes natural for me. So we're going to go ahead and start dusting the window frame and the window sills. And I like to clean the room by section. So we're still over here and we're going to dust the baseboard and then move on to the next part of the room to the right of the room. I'm going to dust the picture frame. We dust around and the glass, and then dust around the windowsill and the window frame and ledge, and then the baseboard. Now I have my color-coded microfiber cloth. It's green, and I use a pH neutral cleaner to clean this wood table. The pH neutral is just water and a damp microfiber cloth. Now we're going to go ahead and vacuum the floor. Everything else has been done. And we're going to move the chairs out. Just because of the way it's laid out, it's easier to take the chairs out to vacuum and mop in this particular home. Some homes, the chairs are more spaced out, so you can just go underneath with the vacuum and be done. Now we're going to mop the floor. We're going to wet mop it and use Zep pH neutral floor cleaner. Now there was crumbs and stuff underneath the table that of course the vacuum cleaner couldn't get, so we just work around it. That's the reason why I like vacuuming and pulling the chairs out in this particular home. That way, as I work around, it makes it easier to get the crumbs out and then let it dry and place the chairs back, and you'll see more. Now we let it dry for about 2 minutes or less, and we're going to start placing the chairs back. And this is the method I was talking about. After the crumbs have been wiped up from underneath the table, I go back through, and this time on the outer layer of the table. So usually just vacuuming under the chairs in the dining room is the way to go, but for this kind of floor and the table setup, this is the system that works more efficiently for me. So we're just going to finish the job. And what I'm doing is scrubbing the floor with the grain. And the way my mop head is set up, there's a plastic part on it that allows me to scrape things off without damaging the floor. It gets a lot of gunk off, and then I sterilize my head once the job is done. And we're done.